Hello guys! In this video, I'll be showing you an easy technique to achieve this simple and effortless updo using any sort of stick that you may have laying around your house. I literally use this technique on a daily, and if I don't have a hair tie on hand, I'll just find any type of slender rod and stick it through my hair. This video is mainly for people who are careless like me, who tend to lose their hair ties and snap them all the time. Honestly, I don't even know what a hair tie is anymore. So if you're interested, please keep watching. First things first, I'm gonna turn around, hopefully I'm in frame. So I'm just gonna comb through my hair. Like so, like you're doing a ponytail. Getting ready for a ponytail at least. Yeah, so now you're gonna have all your hair in one hand. You're gonna use 3 fingers for long hair, 2 fingers for short and mid-length hair. I have medium hair, so I can use 3 or 2, but I'm going to use 2 today. So I'm going to get 2 fingers, put it underneath the ponytail, claw it, twist it like so. Then as you can see, you're going to have some extra hair. You're going to put it around the bun like so. Okay? And then you're going to use the stick, the luscious rusty stick. And as you can see, there's a hole between my fingers here. You're gonna stick that stick through the hole, out through the side of the bun, doesn't matter where, just anywhere. And then underneath the big bun, the whole bun overall. And then out through that hole again that you've made with your fingers. Boom! Like so. Stays nice and tight. And that's how you do it. So sometimes the bun gets a little bit too tight, so the easiest solution would be to just simply loosen up the hands. Don't like grab the hair so tightly, like loosen up the hands, you know, free flowing. And then when you wrap that extra piece of hair around your bun, do it maybe like really loosely, not like tightly like I did just now. And that's so that when you put the stick in, it doesn't hurt your hand. But right now it is down for business. I can like do so much and whip my head around. Like, it is great. My favorite technique. This also works with the high bun, so I'll quickly show you guys that. I'm gonna use a different stick. I'm gonna use this pink one, it doesn't really matter. Same technique, but I'm gonna pull it up in a high top ponytail. So pull it all the way up like this, like that. Same technique. I'm gonna take 2 fingers, go underneath the whole ponytail, twist it, take the hair, extra hair, just twist it around the bun, and then you're gonna use the stick it through the hole between your fingers, stick it through the side, underneath the bun, and back out through that hole that you made earlier. Boom! Do you see this? Okay, wait, it doesn't look perfect right now because I literally don't have a mirror in front of me, but do you see that? Do you see that? It works as a high top bun. Like if you're having a lazy day and you want to do an easy high top bun, this works for long hair as well. I used to have hair down to my like butt, and it works. So doesn't matter what length of hair you have, it will work. This technique works for everything, and I'm so blessed that my friend showed me this technique actually. Yeah. So grateful, so happy. So now I'm gonna just show you guys a compilation of all these objects that I found in my house that I feel I can use to put my hair up, and hopefully this helps you out. This is just an extra bit I decided to do. Yeah, just keep watching. Alright, so that sums up my video. Hopefully it has taught you guys something very useful for daily life. As you can see, I put my hair up because I've been touching my hair all day and it feels so damn greasy and I cannot stand that. So I'm just gonna leave it up until I wash my hair later today. Ugh. Shout out to Anna for showing me this beautiful technique. I'm so blessed. I have so much hair and now I know how to put it up. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.